suppose there is the earth, okay, and between the we can cut the earth into two parts, two hemispheres, okay. This is the earth's globe. We cut into the two equal halves, okay. In two equal halves there is two parts, left part, right part, and left part. So this hemisphere is called which region, and this hemisphere is called which region? Can you tell?
Um, the right side one is the southern one.
Southern one is, we cut the globe into horizontally, then it is this is southern one and this is northern one. But we are
Oh
cutting,
yeah. So
in,
that
yes,
so this the right one would be east and left one west.
yes, east and west. So do you know our earth divides east and west? This line is, what name of this line?
The border.
This is imaginary line, this is not a border.
Oh yeah, the imaginary line.
So from which city or which country it passes?
Um, Asia,
It is a city, it passes from a big city and popular city
Europe.
in Europe. From which city?
Um,
Guess, guess some city name.
France.
France is a country. City, can you tell? Not in a France. City is not in a France.
Okay.
Other guess, other city. It is big.
Greece.
Which one?
Greece.
Greece is not in Europe. Greece, I think, is in Africa, North Africa. So Greece is also wrong. No, Greece is no. Other guess, other country.
Greece is near Italy.
Italy, Italy, capital is Rome.
Rome, basically. It's in
Rome.
the south. It's in the southeastern Europe.
Italy, yes, Italy is southern, southeastern, but Egypt, Greece is called Egypt.
Oh, Egypt. Yeah.
So Egypt is in Africa, North Africa.
Okay.
So Greece means Egypt, not
I'm
it.
pretty sure. I'm pretty sure Greece is in Egypt. I mean in Europe.
Do you
Yeah.
know in Greece there is pyramid or not?
So
In Egypt there is pyramid, but in Greece there is not pyramid.
yeah, that's not fair in Greece.
Okay, okay, but okay, Greece. I think Italy name it. Greek letters. Do you know some Greek letters? Do you know Greece? Yes, I think Italy. Greece is Italy. I think same thing. Yes, you are correct. Greece. Yes,
It's
Greece is.
not Poland, right?
It is. This line is passes from Britain.
Or Britain.
Can you tell the city name? Guess the city name. From which city it passes?
The pass is from Great Britain.
Great Britain. But Great Britain, which city? City. City means like Sydney, Canberra, Melbourne. From Britain it passes. Yes, guess one city. Do you know one city of name of Great Britain?
Um, I'm pretty sure I do.
I think you know about London.
Yeah, London.
So London is the capital of Britain.
Yes.
So from London it passes this line.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So on sphere backside on the this sphere backside is another line, and one line is passes from here, that is called London. London is near here. Okay. So what is the name of this line? Do you know? Still you don't know? This line name is
This line.
Meridian line.
Uh,
This is called Meridian line.
okay.
And opposite to this is,
Cause I used to I think when you do like in the horizontal one, that's like an aces or something. Axis or something.
this one is axis line.
Okay.
North pole, south pole. North pole, south
Okay.
pole.
Yeah.
And this line is called meridian.
Okay.
And opposite to Earth, opposite to of London, another line is passing, and that is near to Australia also,
Oh.
New Zealand, Australia, and name is anti-meridian because it is opposite.
And oh.
Okay,
So that's what divides like basically the southern and northern
eastern,
area.
eastern and western. This divides into eastern and western.
Okay.
Meridian line divide eastern and western.
But in the anti-meridian.
Anti-meridian is opposite to the London.
Okay.
London's on Earth there is opposite face also, because we are cutting the Earth into two halves vertically,
Yeah.
and here on top is North Pole, and on south there is South Pole.
Yeah.
So two hemisphere, and eastern and western. You give the correct answer. And this is axis on rotation. Earth is rotating continuously. Can you tell
Yeah.
what direction Earth is rotating? Direction of Earth's rotation?
Clockwise or anti-clockwise?
No, we see sun rises in which direction?
East.
East. So east to west, sun's motion is there east to west. In the evening, sun we see in the west.
Yeah.
Sunset is in west. So
So
rotation
that
of,
means it's moving to the west east area.
yes, west to east. Earth is rotating from west to east.
Yeah.
So west to east, Earth is rotating. It means Earth is rotating from west to east. This is the rotation cycle. And this meridian, another name of this meridian line is longitudinal. Longitude line. Another name is longitude line. Or this is also called timeline.
Timeline. Okay.
It decides the whole Earth's time.
Oh.
Is New Zealand time and
So
Australia
the
time same?
time, the how the time basically works is on how what the face the Earth is facing.
Yes. The timelines is depend on the rotation of Earth,
Earth.
and the timelines we name is longitude lines. And do you know New Zealand time and Australia time are same or some difference is there?
Well, they're kind of similar,
Half an hour, 1 hour difference is not there.
but Melbourne and Sydney's are same.
Melbourne and Sydney are same. but
Yes.
and rest part Canberra.
They are different from Melbourne.
Okay, so why this is difference? Because they have different longitude lines. Suppose Australia is there, and one line is longitude here, another line longitude is here, another line is longitude here. So the difference is in longitude decides the time.
Okay.
Similarly, Russia starts from Europe and ends in Asia. So look the globe. I have globe. Look the model of the Earth that is called globe. It rotates. Do you know Earth is not rotating in this perfect line, 90-degree line, but
Yeah, it's not.
it
It's
is
tilted.
slightly tilted. Yes. What angle do you know? It is
Um, Horizontal.
it is slightly tilted. So what angle it makes with this is longitude line, but Earth is rotating in some tilted angle. So do you know angle? Tilted angle.
Um, the tilted angle.
Earth is tilted at some angle. So tilted angle of Earth. So what is tilted angle of Earth? Guess.
Uh, at the western side, at the west side.
Okay. It is
So
tilted.
at least like not 90 degrees, so like between 90 degrees, between 90 degrees.
90. If it is 90, then it is looks straight, but it is some angle.
It's between 90 and 180. It's between
This
that.
this one rotation of Earth is here. This line, and this angle is 20. Suppose, do you know 2 after 2 is next number is 3,
3,
after next number is,
4,
so 4 is dot, and next number is,
5.
so this is the angle on Earth is slightly tilted, 23.5 degree. So this tilted of Earth makes our day and night. Day and night rotation is day and night rotation season. This tilted makes season. So yes, what is this vertical line name?
Meridian, meridian.
Meridian. Meridian. 0 degree longitude name is meridian. That is called GMT. Greenwich Mean Time. GMT. Heavy GMT.
GMT.
GMT passes from London, and it is called 0 degree. 0 degree line. The 0 degree longitude line is called GMT. Greenwich Mean Time. This is the timeline of whole Earth, and it starts from 0 degree, that is London. And do you know what is the name of Australian timeline?
Um, but,
Australian timeline. What is the name of Indian timeline? Indian timeline name is IST. Indian Standard Time. Indian Standard Time is the IST. IST is the Indian timeline name. Do you know Australian timeline name? What we call Australian timeline name? Do you know? No. Its name is Australian History Timeline. Okay, Australian History Timeline. So timeline name, another lines are called longitude lines. They are from north to south, join from north to south. So timeline, so 0 degree starts from London, then on eastern side we say 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree, and on western side also 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, 180 degree on eastern side, 180 degree on western side is divided. So day and night forms from this timeline.
Yeah.
Okay. So Australian timeline passes from middle of the Australia. Middle of the Australia this passes on eastern side. Its degree is not given in this globe, but I think 115 degree. 115 degree. 115 degree. Australian timeline passes, that is 115 degree on eastern side. So I am rubbing this whole diagram. 115 degree. So in Australia there is 115 degree. This is the timeline. Eastern side. E means eastern side. Can you multiply 115 by 4 and give the answer? Multiply 115 by 4. 115 multiply by 4. So this is 100 place. So 100. Yes, 400.
60.
Yes, 460. So this is the minute. This is the minute. This is the degree east. This is the minute. 4 minutes. We multiply 4 minute with 115 degree. We get 460 minutes. Do you know how many hours in 460 minutes? How many hours in 460 minutes?
Oh, 5 hours? No, wait.
What?
Around 7 hours or 8, around 7 to 8 hours.
How? How we find out?
Um, we basically just do the timetable of 6, just add a 0 at the end.
Can we divide it by 60 to convert into hours? So 0 0 cancel. 46 divide 6.
Is 7.
7 times 42. 4 left. So it is near about 7 hours.
No.
Okay, after 467 ja we are doing 4 7 hours. So 7 hours means 420 minutes. 7 into 60, that is 420 minutes, and 40 minutes is left still. 7 hours and 40 minutes.
Yeah.
This is so from GMT time, Australia time is ahead. From GMT time, Australia time is ahead. How much?
Around 5 hours.
from India time it is 5 hours, but from India is also behind of GMT time. GMT time start from London, and from GMT time India lags 5 hours 30 minutes, and from Australia time India is behind the Australian time, so Australian time is ahead of Australian timeline. Name is ACT, Australian Canberra time. Canberra, from Canberra it starts
It's
Australian
not
time.
Australian Capital Territory.
Repeat.
It's not a, I don't think, hang on. Canberra, no. Yeah, Canberra, yeah. Australian Capital Territory.
Yes, Canberra, double R, Canberra time. So Australian ACT timeline is called in Australia, and
So,
in
so from Australia, from like Melbourne, London is 11 hours away
yes,
behind them.
yes, 11 hours. Difference is 11 hours. 5 hour 30 minutes from India. This is India time, and India again behind of Australian time, that is 5 hour 30 minutes. So total 11 hours is there. From 11 hours, London time is behind, and total time divide into 12 hours. We divide into 12 hours day. So anti meridian is just near to Australia. 1 hour's difference is there.
Yeah.
Okay, and on the western side again timeline is there. Again 12 hours is there. So in USA there is 1 day behind, 24 hours difference. So opposite to Australia is which city? Which country is opposite to Australia? Do you know?
Uh, like, what do you mean by opposite?
Opposite, it means time is different. Day is different. Day is different than Australia time. Australia. So do you know position of Australia is in degree of east, and that position. So what is the position of Canberra? What is position of Canberra in longitude lines? So Canberra is 149 degree east. 149 degree
So,
7 minutes.
by the way, New Zealand is 2 hours ahead of Australia.
Yes, 2 hours.
Even
Yes,
Australia.
due to this timeline, New Zealand is ahead. So what is the difference between New Zealand and 2 hours? 2 hours. It means 2 hours means how many minutes?
Um, means about
2 hours means how many minutes?
120 minutes.
120 minutes, and it divide by 4. 120 divide by 4.
Is 30.
30. So if 30, if Australia degree, if Canberra degree east 149 degree east, then what is position of New Zealand timeline position? So 30 degree difference we add here, so it becomes 179 degree. So this is the New Zealand timeline's location, 179 degree east. What is New Zealand timelines? So 179-degree New Zealand timelines. Location. What we call New Zealand timeline.
Homework.
Okay. Homework yesterday you have done.
Yes. Primary school.
Where is it? School, this school.
It's um it's next to Melbourne in Mount Waverley.
So repeat your. Please repeat your school name.
Pinewood Primary School.
Okay. Last from which grade? There is eighth grade also available in school.
No, only up to 6.
Only six. So this is your second last year. Then next year your will be last year.
Yeah, until I go to high school.
Okay. Then high school.